Guys, I'm the Emerald Miner. So today we're going to be playing some Mario Kart
Deluxe.
Yeah, today we're joined by Little Miner, and yeah, that's it. So we're going to do, no, wait. I'm going to be this, and you're going to be this, here, is your remote. No, we're not going to do that. We're going to do Grand Prix. Yeah, I've fully beaten 50cc.
Oh
Logan,
yeah.
no, don't go in front of the camera.
I know you got out the door. Shoppies, I told you.
Don't spit on my face. Okay, we're doing 150cc. I'm Red Yoshi.
Then I'm going to be Waluigi.
He's gonna be Waluigi. I'm ready. You chose your bike or car? On a bike?
What this one?
Alright. Now let's do Star Cup. First race. Ready? 2, 1, go!
We stop.
By the way, if you didn't hear earlier, I'm on the left and Logan's on the right. I'm Red Yoshi and he's Waluigi. Oh no! No!
Who was it? Oh no! He lost my coin!
You lost your coins?
Yeah.
Oh.
Who did that?
Oh! Oh! Whoa!
I know Toad did that.
You think Toad did that? Oh! First place for now. Hopefully I can keep it like that until the end of the race. But the problem is that there's 2 more laps. There's this lap and then there's next lap. So okay, making progress. A red shell's coming for me. No, I saw it on the map. Okay, Donkey Kong and Toad are in front of me. Probably my least favorite characters, except my least favorite character, if you didn't know, is Ludwig. I really do not like him. So if your favorite character is Ludwig, yeah.
Where is Ludwig?
I have no idea. I don't think he's even racing.
Where's Ludwig?
I don't think he's racing. Oh my god, the stupid auto steering thing. What is it called? Smart steering? Yeah, they added in Mario Kart 8 Deluxe the smart steering, but it's not good. So you should probably turn it off because when I'm using it, it blocks me from like skipping. If I want to, like, for example, do this, sometimes it doesn't let me because of the smart steering. Well, at least I got second. You're in 12. It's last place. you look on the map, he's really far behind. Ready? Finish, finish, finish. Yay! Alright. Next race. Let's do this. Let's go. Dolphin. What? I didn't read that. My trick is to start going exactly like when the 2 is appearing. So you can use that tactic to get like a boost. Almost fell off the edge. And I gotta be honest, Mario Kart 8 Deluxe is like the controls are easier. It's that when it's supposed to vibrate, it doesn't vibrate as much as the normal Mario Kart. Like the normal Mario Kart 8, I find it just makes a little rubble. That's it. But Mario Kart 8, like the normal one, the Wii U, that one, it rumbled a lot. I find it easier in Mario Kart 8 Deluxe because it doesn't rumble and it doesn't like shake the controls. So, lately I've been trying to get, if you didn't know, Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, you can get Gold Mario, and I've been trying to get it, but it's very hard. I'm also trying to get the Gold Kart. So if you want to see a video on me trying to get them, or if I get them, on me using them, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment down below. And also, what do you want to see next on this channel for the Nintendo Switch? Mario Odyssey or more of Mario Kart 8 Deluxe? Oh.
Then I got a superstar.
You got a superstar? Well, at least you're not in last place, like you were last time. Oh my god, oh my god! Oh my Toad! I'm gonna kill you.
I got superstar again!
Again?
Maybe I got a superstar again.
Yeah, see, look, it doesn't let me do what Peach did. I'm 5th.
Then I'm an 8. I'm an 8.
Let's quit and let's do a battle.
Yeah.
Let's do like multiplayer, and then let's do a battle. I'm gonna be Tanuki Mario. I don't want to be Tanuki Mario. You're gonna be Tanuki Mario. I'll be Dry Bones. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it like that. Renegade Roundup I do not like. I do not like Renegade Roundup. Bomb on Blast, that one's fun. Coin runners, yeah, it's good. Shine thief, not really. Random battle, that's not even like the battle. And balloon battle, probably the best one. So we're gonna do a bomb on blast because it's new and people want to see what it's like. So we're gonna do that in Urchin Underpass, which is a new one for just Splatoon. And I guess this will be the final race of the day, or if a battle. Okay. Whoa! So you technically just get bombs and throw them at people. You sort of like camp around. You sort of just like hide around and throw it at people. So get more bombs. So it's actually cool how when you go in the ink, it actually sort of slows you down. But when you get out, it gives you a boost. Oh my god, is that Donkey Kong? Oh, wait, no! Oh, I hit Ink Ranger. Dry Bones Bowser, I'm gonna kill you. Oh, no, never mind. Never mind, I said. So that's. Did I put these guys on hard mode or something? This is crazy. I'm just gonna like hide. Hey, this wasn't. It was never. And look, there's even a Mario. Mario on the wall. Ooh. I'm just trying to collect 10 bombs and then like spam. Let's try Bones Bowser. No. Ooh. Get and get. Ooh! Ooh, those almost hit me. Oh! So, to be honest, it's just sort of craziness. Is what Bomb on Blast really is. It's just a bunch of craziness mashed up together. Ooh, that's a double. Like that. I want that double. No! You stole them. Oh, there's some doubles. Double and double. And then whenever I see someone, I'm just gonna spam it. Oh, I saw a bomb. That means people. Oh, there's someone. Ooh, there's someone. Two! Yeah! You sidelined. Oh. Boom! Oh, come on. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment what you want to see next. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.